Welcome to HTV7. Cook with HTV7. Love to eat, then learn to cook. Hello everyone. Today we are going to make dinner rolls. So let's see what we need to make it and how can we make the dough. So here I have taken 3.5 cup plain flour, 1.5 tablespoon sugar, and 1.5 tablespoon yeast, and 1 teaspoon pink salt, half cup milk, and 1 cup lukewarm water. Now mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoon oil or ghee and knead it well. Now it's already kneaded. I have applied little bit oil on top of this dough. Now I'm gonna cover it and keep it aside until it gets double in size, and then I will make the dinner rolls out of it, and I'm gonna show you that how it looks like after that. So as you can see, I have already made the dinner rolls in different shapes out of the dough. So I'm gonna put them into the oven for about 15 minutes in 180 centigrade temperature. So after that I'm gonna show you how they look like. As you can see, our dinner rolls are ready. I've applied little bit clarified butter on top of them, and you see how soft are these. You see how spongy are these and fluffy. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel HTV7. See you next time with another amazing recipe. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe HTV7.